Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore an easy and effective way to clean your car battery terminals using a common household item, baking soda. If you've noticed corrosion on your battery terminals, don't worry. With just a few simple steps, you can restore your battery's performance and extend its lifespan. Let's dive in. What you'll need. Before we start, gather the following materials: baking soda, water, old toothbrush or wire brush, safety gloves and goggles, rags or paper towels, wrench or socket set. Step 1. Safety first. Before working on your car battery, ensure you wear safety gloves and goggles. This will protect you from any acid that may have leaked from the battery. Step 2. Prepare your cleaning solution. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a cup of water. Stir until the baking soda is fully dissolved. This solution will help neutralize the corrosion on the terminals. Step 3. Disconnect the battery terminals. Using a wrench or socket set, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first, usually marked with a minus sign. Then, disconnect the positive terminal marked with a plus sign. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts while you clean. Step 4. Apply the baking soda solution. Dip your old toothbrush or wire brush into the baking soda solution. Gently scrub the corroded areas on the battery terminals and cable connectors. You'll notice a fizzing reaction, which indicates that the baking soda is working to neutralize the corrosion. Step 5. Rinse and dry. After scrubbing, use a damp rag to wipe away any residue from the terminals. Be sure to rinse with clean water to remove any leftover baking soda. Then, dry the terminals thoroughly with a clean cloth. Step 6. Reconnect the battery terminals. Now it's time to reconnect your battery. Start by attaching the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure both connections are tight to prevent any power loss. Step 7. Final check. After everything is connected, start your vehicle to ensure it's running smoothly. If you notice any issues, consider checking other components or consulting a professional. Conclusion. Cleaning your car battery terminals with baking soda is a simple yet effective way to maintain your vehicle. By removing corrosion, you can improve your battery's performance and longevity. Remember to perform this maintenance regularly, especially if you live in areas with extreme weather conditions. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video soon.